Today, we're tackling a critical issue that vehicle owners might face when doing a second-time repair for a blown-out spark plug. Spark plug hole erosion in aluminum engine heads. How bad can it get? And can it be fixed? Let's dive right in. Imagine this. You've got an aluminum engine head with a spark plug hole that had a repair insert. That insert has blown out, leaving the hole bigger and showing severe erosion. How damaged can it be and still be fixable? To fix this, ideally there needs to be enough material to ream or drill out so complete threads can be tapped for an oversized spark plug insert. Here's an example of a spark plug hole after a Napa Fix-A-Thread insert failed. Erosion on the side of the hole happens when compression leaks along the outside of the insert, often sounding like an exhaust manifold leak that gets worse over time. This can severely erode the aluminum, sometimes making the hole unrepairable. Notice the erosion is worse on the compression side. Now, let's see what it looks like after using a Cal-Van thread tap. There's still some erosion visible. What's our recommendation? Go up a size to the Time Sert 5600 kit. One vehicle owner used the Cal-Van kit with high-temp JB Weld as filler. They drove their truck hard for a few days, even off-roading, and reported no issues. But long-term reliability might still be a concern. We've seen cases where a Cal-Van insert fails, but the Time Sert 5600 was big enough for a last-chance repair. The Cal-Van kit uses an 11/16" reamer. Ideally, this should make the hole round with no voids. The Time Sert 5600 kit handles repairs up to 0.73 inches, with the largest insert expanding to 0.77 inches, locking it in place. Even if a Cal-Van insert pulls out, the Time Sert 5600 has been used successfully. Running the reamer helps clean the hole for new threads. Now, let's answer a couple of questions we've had about these repairs. First question, why would a Cal-Van insert fail in the first place? The Cal-Van kit is a good repair solution. However, knockoff kits and inserts from places like Amazon or eBay might not meet the same standards. Incorrect or missing thread locker can also cause failures. Always clean and dry threads before applying thread locker. Second question, can I just use an M18x15 tap with the 5600 inserts? The largest insert in the Time Sert 5600 kit is an oversized M18x1.5, not a regular M18x1.5. The installation drivers cold roll and expand the insert threads to hold them in place. Since 2005, we've been helping customers with general mechanic tools and specialty kits. If you're unsure which thread repair kit you need, give us a call at 800-734-8665 or fill out our contact form on our website at wiseautotools.com. We're here to help you successfully complete your project with ease and confidence. Don't forget to bookmark us for your future automotive tool needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive repair tips. See you next time.